In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cite Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, consistent reference that most instructors and editors will recognize, plus a few key cautions to keep your work credible. First, start your citation with the organization name. This identifies the publisher or provider of the tool. For Perplexity, the organization name is typically listed as Perplexity AI. Writing the organization first helps your reader immediately see who stands behind the tool you used. Next, add the year. Use the year associated with the content you're referencing. If a specific publication date isn't available for the tool output, it's common to use the current year to signal when you consulted the model. Keeping the year up to date matters because AI tools change frequently. Then, include the tool name. This is the branded name of the product you used. If the organization and the tool share the same name, you can still repeat it here to follow a standard citation pattern. Consistency across your references helps others scan and compare sources quickly. After the tool name, add a descriptive label in square brackets. Large language model. This clarifies the content type, just like you might label a video, dataset, or app in other citations. The bracketed description tells your audience you're referencing an AI system rather than a web page article or a human-authored report. Finally, add the URL. Use the official, stable address where the tool can be accessed, such as the product's homepage or the specific page that hosts the model. Including a direct URL helps readers locate the exact resource you used. Putting it all together, your reference will look like this when read aloud. Perplexity AI, year. Perplexity AI, large language model. URL. Replace year with the appropriate year and URL with the correct link. A few important notes. If the AI response you're citing cannot be accessed by others, such as a private chat or a result that isn't publicly viewable, treat it as personal communication. Many style guides handle personal communications in text only, not in the reference list. Always verify any sources that Perplexity cites before you rely on them, especially for academic or professional work. Follow the links, confirm the details, and make sure they truly support your claims. And keep in mind that many schools require you to cite the original sources, not just the AI tool that pointed you to them. That's it. Use the organization, year, tool name, the large language model label, and the URL, and you'll have a clear, defensible citation for Perplexity AI.